So we have our tickets today for the Ford Rouge factory tour. We're going to see an F-150 get built today. So here's the tickets, just waiting for the bus to take us on over there. All right, we're getting on the bus here. This is going to take us to the Rouge Ford plant, where we're going to go ahead and watch them build an F-150. So this bus takes us over there. Hey folks, so today we're doing the Ford Rouge factory tour. We're going to go inside and take a look at how the Ford F-150 is made. Stick around. Alright, so we're about ready to take the Ford Rouge factory tour. Everybody walking on in. These are the vehicles that are made here at the Ford Rouge plant. Model A. Ford. On to the Thunderbird. And on to the Mustang. So this is the chassis of the Ford Raptor. This is what we came and watched them build in the Ford Rouge factory tour. So this is the whole Ford Rouge complex. It starts off factory. They have places where they drop off everything from ore and everything else. They make the steel, they produce the steel, they bring it across. This is the actual plant that we were in, and we watched them make a Ford F-150. Well, that's going to wrap this video up for a tour of the Ford Rouge River plant where they make the 150 trucks. Don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you back in the next video. Take care.